Agriculture income is exempt under Income Tax Act, but profit on sale of agricultural land is not exempt. Why? Because it's depend upon type of agriculture asset, whether it is rural agricultural land or urban agricultural land. Rural agricultural land is treated as a not a capital asset, and urban agricultural land is treated as a capital asset. So profit on sale of urban agricultural land is a taxable income, and profit on sale of rural agriculture income is treated as a exempt income. And similarly, TDS provision under section 194 IA only applicable on urban agricultural land. I hope you understand that. So let's understand one case study. Mr. X, who sold their rural agricultural land in 1 crore, no TDS provision is required, but for safety reason, Mr. Y deduct TDS on that amount. So at the time of return filing, Mr. X has to declare that income under exempt income schedule, and also under TDS section he has to mention corresponding income, that is exempt income. And if option not available, then for validation and filing return they can select capital gain head, and if notice get, then respond to notice accordingly and maintain proper evidence. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much friend, and stay connected with us and stay this series. Bye bye friends.